There's been some additional work done on the hull of the boat. So this wear edge here, which separates the side of the boat from the base of the boat and sticks out, had worn down, so we have placed a new piece of flat bar across the corner here. As you can see, in some sections that was pretty much right on top of the weld, so that's going to protect this from being bumped as the boat's going through locks and things. That's been done on both of the back corners on the starboard or right hand side there, as well as on the left or the port side in the same fashion, just there. As well as that on the back, we've had to so this is the back of the boat, where this rubbing guard iron has worn down. It's then meant that this part of the boat, which as you can see, it's got a good lip on here, had worn down. So that's been built up along here with weld, just to build that out to protect that corner. And that's happened on this side as well as on the starboard side as well.